friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. In this video, I will be sharing the food I prepared for Masjid, that is for Iftar, and it is chicken biryani which I prepared in large quantity. Here you go. I bought whole chicken, that is full 5 kg, that is 11 pounds it was. Full chicken it is, nice big pieces. You can see this is one full chicken. They will cut into 16 pieces. That's how I asked them to cut, and you can see now nicely wash them, drain them, and then we'll get started with the marination. It is little different recipe I am making because I am making in large quantity. Previous day morning itself I marinated the entire chicken. This 5 kg chicken I will marinate it with whole lot of spices. See here, I have used 1 full cup of ginger garlic paste, 2 cup of yogurt. Along with that I will be adding handful of green chilies nicely chopped. Salt, do not go low with salt because salt is you have to always keep in mind salt should be correct. If the salt is less, the taste will be very less. Lemon juice also little extra, that will give nice tenderizer effect also. Whole spices, and you can see I am adding the fried onions, turmeric powder, chili powder. Do take care while adding it because we have already added green chili also. 1 full packet Shan Pilau Biryani Masala, little bit of pudina, 1 full cup of desi ghee, and 1 full cup of oil also. All the ingredients I have added right now itself. I am making this biryani little less spicy and mild in flavor because people in Masjid will be from different regions having less spice food and all, so that we should always make less spicy and mild flavors only. In between I also added, this is yellow food color, this is little bit I added. Nicely give it a good mix with hands, rub each and every piece and marinate it nicely overnight. Overnight marinating it with all these spices will make the chicken juicier and tastier also. I will divide the entire chicken into 2 boxes and keep it in fridge overnight. That's it. 50% of our work is done previous day itself. In this video you will see how large quantity of biryani can be made when you don't have even big pots to make. Here in Canada now the weather is very nice sunny weather. It is not too cold, not too hot. It's a very pleasant weather. When you see these bikes rolling on roads, that means spring to summer has started. Weather is becoming very good. Morning first thing I did was chopping the onions. Always chopping onion is very easy for me with my food processor. Just in 5 minutes you can chop all these onions. That's what I did, and I have kept the chicken also outside beforehand to thaw it. Now in an open pot take enough oil and fry the onions. I have kept 2 pots simultaneously for making chicken biryani in 2 different pots itself. First we will prepare masala. On the other pot you can see I am frying the potatoes. My friends gave me idea, when you are preparing such large quantity of biryani, especially in Iftar and all, lot of kids will be there. These potatoes are kids' favorite, so definitely add potatoes in the biryani. For that, fry it and add, that will enhance the taste also. After the onions are nicely fried, I will be adding 1 box of chicken over here. The same way I am going to prepare in the other side also. I will be just showing one thing now. Nicely give it a good mix and cover it and cook until the chicken is getting done. Meanwhile, I have some more ingredients to add in it. I will just chop some tomatoes and potatoes. These are the 2 things we have to yet to add, and now I am going to add them too. This way you marinate the chicken previous day itself with all the ingredients. It is very easy for you on the day you have to take it to the mosque or any party. Very easy. Just fry some onions with nice oil and ghee and add tomatoes and these potatoes only. I have added extra over here. That's it. Nicely mix it and the chicken has to be well done. And now next we will be boiling the rice. I soaked the rice also for half an hour. This is completely 3.5 kg of rice for 5 kg of chicken. This is what the proportion I took. Now nicely you can see I am draining. The rice is also well done. Luckily my friend also came to help me, so the job was very easy for me to do. Preparing large quantity of food all alone is little bit boring. If you have a friend of this kind, yes, of course it will look very smooth and easy. Now we have come to the final process of the biryani. The biryani curry is very much ready. Rice is also ready. And I am going to set for dum in the aluminium foil tray itself, in which we are going to take to the masjid or mosque. So you can see we are layering the chicken full in the bottom. On top we will be layering the rice. Over that I will be layering the potatoes and give it an upside down. You have to just give it little bit of twist and turn, and you will be seeing what all I will be doing now. Here in mosque we take food for all the fasting people. It was approximately for 100 people. All friends together divided the work, in which I took biryani, that which I will prepare and bring, and rest of the friends took various other dishes like chicken korma, naans, chaat, fruit chaat, like that, so many things, other things. You can see very easily 3 tray biryani was very much ready. Now on top, full one layer, we will give nice flavorful layer. In that little bit garam masala, nice ghee and little more chicken masala I added in that rice, and we will be layering it on top. Nice flavorful food it was. We will give a layer of nice fried onions and the color. You can see food color also, you can give it on top. Like this itself, I will cover it up and leave it on dum in the oven for half an hour. Now the time is 3 o'clock approximately. At that time we are fully done. It is for iftari. Iftari time was 7:30. So 6:30 I will again reheat this biryani for again half an hour and take it with us. In our mosque, approximately 100 people come during the iftar time. Iftar time is nothing but the fast breaking time. With that estimate only, we have prepared food today, and very reluctantly I have taken a clip to share with you all. I am feeling very shy to take any videos or pictures inside the mosque, but still to share with you all, very small gentle clips I have taken. Just enjoy. 2 days I took food for Masjid, and today it is biryani, and one more day in the weekend I went to mosque. At that time I prepared sliders. Sliders also I will show you. After this I will make these sliders. This is what it is. It is next day I took again. These are buns from Costco. Very tasty, soft and very nice buns. Milk buns these are. Milk sweet buns. Yeah. These buns are very great for making the sliders. I am just making vegetarian only. Lot of non-veg food comes to mosque, so thought of making something vegetarian. This is potato slider only I am making. Nice potato and bell peppers I have added in it, so that it will be very nice for the iftar. First fast breaking time, they will keep lot of snacks like fruit chaat, chana chaat, pakodas. At that time these sliders were also nice to be served over there. Mostly whenever I go to Costco, definitely I try to bring these buns. These are very handy for any kind of party or even at home for sending tiffin to school also. These buns are great. Costco people, whoever goes, can definitely give a try for these buns. Morning itself I prepared that potato mash. Along with that, just in the evening before going, half an hour before, I just assemble all this and put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Nicely warm ones I took with me. In no time, these flew away. Every weekend in Mosque there is family gathering for Iftar. We make sure to go over the weekend, make some dish for sharing with all the families. Likewise, all other families will also bring their own traditional foods and different variety of foods, and it will be very nice to sit and have Iftar with various other friends and get to know many new people as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy.